Listen to me, said you take me for a ride. Take me to a